The Aqua Plus is a reusable, sealable cover that keeps your sound processor dry during use in or around water. If you use a Cochlear safety line, you'll need to remove it from your sound processor before using your Aqua Plus. If you use a Cochlear software pad, you can leave it on your sound processor. To open the Aqua Plus, remove its cover by putting your thumb under the cover tab and lifting upwards. Be careful not to damage the cover with your fingernails. Then, place your Kanso 3 Nexus sound processor in the Aqua Plus base with the Cochlear logo, light, and microphones facing up. To close the Aqua Plus, align the lock on the cover and base and fit them together. Lower the other end of the cover onto the base. Press down on the soft side while closing the Aqua Plus. This will reduce the amount of air that could be trapped inside. Too much air trapped could affect your sound quality. Press firmly around the edges until the base is flush with the cover. Ensure your Aqua Plus is properly sealed so water doesn't leak in. The Aqua Plus is designed with retention holders that you can thread your goggles through. If you're concerned about losing your sound processor, you can use a Cochlear safety line to clip your Aqua Plus to your clothing. When you're finished in the water, make sure that you rinse your Aqua Plus with fresh water and dry with a soft cloth before removing the sound processor. Remove the sound processor from the Aqua Plus. Check that your Aqua Plus is thoroughly dry. Put the two halves together and test the seal by pressing down gently on the cover. If any air leaks out, you should not use your Aqua Plus again. If the seal is okay, separate the two halves of your Aqua Plus again and store them in your storage case or the Activity Kit's waterproof case. For more information, visit our website.